Preparing to write an informed PICF. Preparation is key to developing a well-crafted PICF. This video will explain the steps you should take before putting pen to paper. This includes having a thorough understanding of the structure of the InFORMed template, your research project, your target participants, and any relevant institutional requirements. Our next video, Writing Your InFORMed PICF, will guide you through the nuts and bolts of drafting your PICF. Understanding the InFORMed template. Start by reviewing the InFORMed template and user guide to become familiar with its approach and structure. If you haven't yet watched the video, Understanding the InFORMed template, now is a good time to review it. Remember, the template is designed for flexibility. If there are sections that are not relevant to your research project, you can amend them or delete them altogether. Understand your research project. Now you are ready to think about how to make the InFORMed template your own. What is the key information that potential participants need to decide whether to take part in your research project? Refamiliarize yourself with the project protocol, including the purpose of the research project, what participants will need to do, and how this differs from what they would be doing if they choose not to participate. What risks and benefits participants may encounter because of their research participation. How participants' data and samples will be used, both for this project and any future research. Factor in your participant characteristics. Next, consider how your participant characteristics might affect the information that participants need to make a decision whether to take part in your research project. This will influence how you present the information. Characteristics could include their age and current health status, as well as their cultural, linguistic, and ethnic backgrounds. You should also factor in your participants' communication and information preferences. These might relate to their vision, hearing, language preference, numeracy, and health literacy. Remember that only information needed for participants to decide to take part in the research project should be included in the PICF itself. The simpler you can make the PICF, while still covering the essential information, the easier it will be to use different communication formats and to translate the PICF into languages other than English. The next video on Writing Your InFORMed PICF and the InFORMed User Guide have more guidance for how to do this. Work with health consumers. Health consumers will be the best people to help you decide what information should be included in the PICF and how it should be presented. Health consumers that are relevant to your project include people with lived experience of the condition you are studying, and people from cultural, linguistic, and ethnic backgrounds that are likely to be in your project. Health consumers will help you determine what information participants are likely to need in order to decide whether to take part in the project. They can also alert you to any terms, phrases, or images that may be confusing or sensitive. Institutional requirements. Touch base with your institution and ethics review body to check for any specific PICF requirements. This may include required language for topics like pregnancy and contraception, data storage and sharing, and decision-making by legal guardians. The InFORMed template can be used to develop print as well as electronic consent materials. Speak to your ethics review body to understand any requirements they may have for e-consent materials. You are now ready to start drafting your PICF. Our next video will guide you through writing your InFORMed PICF.